Good morning, children. So, we are on the threshold of another batch of examination. So, here's something for you. If you could turn back time and visit the early 2000s for a survey on mobile phones used, you will get some shocking revelations. Many of you right now do not use Nokia phones, right? But ask your parents. There was a time early 2000s that 9 out of 10 people had a Nokia phone. In fact, they don't really care of the brands even. It was just they would just say the numbers 3310, 1100. I mean, it would sound better in Hindi. They would say 3310, 1100, etc. Yes, Nokia was that big. So what happened to that? Why a company so large is fighting its survival now? From 90% of the users, it is below even 1%. Search online and you will know one major reason of their astounding downfall is that they did not upgrade themselves. They were stuck and even to an extent complacent, thinking they don't need to improve. We too have the same problem. Let me prove that. Now, most of us have scored a lot when we were in lower standards. But as the standards increased, our scores kept dwindling. Correct? Have you ever wondered why? And no, it's not because studies got difficult year on year. Because even if it has, you too have developed your brains year on a year. You too have evolved. So then what's the reason of this downfall? Let me explain. Do you follow the same study time, the same study schedule you used to in your previous standards? Yes? Huh? That is the problem. All of us need to upgrade. If you are not going forward, you are going backward. That's the rule. There is nothing called stagnancy. Here's another classic example, which suits this current world precisely. In this COVID era, study, work, buying, shopping, everything shifted online. And that brought in a huge demand for the tech savvy people. The people who are more than average in using technology. Lacking that, many people were demoted or even removed from their jobs. Do you know? On the other hand, some have got raises and promotions as well. Just because they could handle technology very well. So, what is the moral of the story? Well, it is clear, right? Keep upgrading yourself. But how to do that as a student? See, let's say it's a worst case scenario and you do not study at all in a day. Many of you don't, right? Get started with just 10 minutes first day. Just 10 minutes. It's a very small time we are asking. Get started with just 10 minutes the first day. Do that for a week. Increase 10 more minutes next week. And 10 more in the following week. And so on. And a time will come when you will be studying sufficient time and you will know that with the increase in your test scores. Getting my point? So that would be the homework for today. And remember, if you want to achieve what you have never achieved, you have to do what you have never done. So keep improving and keep progressing. Right? Bye-bye.